Is your 2016-2021 Acura RDX key fob not working reliably? A dead battery is the most common cause. These models use a CR2032 battery. You can easily replace it yourself in just a few minutes, saving time and money. First, locate the small notch or seam on the back of your key fob. Use a small flathead screwdriver or key to gently pry it open. Be careful not to crack the plastic. Remove the old CR2032 battery, noting which side is facing up, positive side. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the correct orientation. Snap the case back together until it clicks shut. Test the fob by locking and unlocking your car. Always use a fresh, high-quality CR2032 battery, such as Duracell or Energizer, to avoid leaks and corrosion. If the fob doesn't work after replacing the battery, double-check the battery orientation, or try reprogramming the fob using your Acura's onboard settings. If issues persist, a dealer visit may be needed. Remember to recycle your old batteries properly. While these RDX models use replaceable batteries, newer Acura models are shifting to rechargeable key fobs, reducing waste. Keep an eye out for future advancements like app-based key sharing, potentially eliminating the need for physical batteries altogether.